Students, we are in chapter 8, our surroundings. We are learning about different kinds of habitats, and today is the turn of aquatic habitat. So let's start aquatic habitats. Aqua means water. A large variety of organisms live in aquatic habitats. Animals live in water is known as aquatic animal, and plants live in water is known as aquatic plants. Aquatic habitat includes water bodies like lakes, ponds, seas and oceans. Aquatic habitat is of two types: freshwater habitat and saltwater habitat. So let's start from freshwater habitat. It includes lakes, ponds, rivers, swamps. Animals like fish and frog are found in such habitats. They have special body features to adapt the aquatic climate or aquatic habitat. So let's start from fish. So, adaptive features of freshwater fish. In this picture, you can see a air bladder. So, fish have air bladder, and that air bladder is also known as swim bladder or gas bladder. It has a particular type of gas which helps fish to float in water. Because of this air bladder, fish do not sink in water. It easily floats in water. Fish has streamlined bodies and they have also fins. In this picture, you can see the fins and the streamlined body of fish. Streamlined body means wavy type of body which reduce the friction so that fish can easily swim in water. Also, their fins and tails help it to swim and change the direction. Fish have gills. They have gills. In this picture, you can see gills. You know very well that fish cannot breathe atmospheric oxygen. So, they take dissolved oxygen dissolved in water, and that dissolved oxygen they use for breathing. So these gills which help them to exchange gas in the water, that means also to take oxygen and to give out carbon dioxide. Fish cannot take oxygen directly from the air. They die when taken out of water. They take only dissolved oxygen from water, and these gills help them to exchange the gas. Body of the fish is covered with scales, and these scales are waterproof. They have also mucus on the scales. Okay, so it makes the scale waterproof. और वाटरप्रूफ होने की वजह क्या है? ताकि पानी की वजह से बॉडी ख़राब ना हो जाए, सड़ नहीं जाए. So they have scales to prevent the damage because of the water. So dear students, these are the adaptive features of freshwater fish. In the next video, I am going to send adaptive features of aquatic plants and of frog also. Till then, you just go through the video properly and learn all the features. Thank you.